Hey, friends and family and friends. I'm going to show you how it is that you grab up reservations for ancestors that are in the group that we share. And I apologize if you hear cat noise in the background, but they have the zoomies and they're going absolutely berserk. And well, there's nothing I can really do about that, I'm afraid. Okay, so here we go. So I'm in my cell phone. I don't really work using my laptop or PC. I would use my phone, and I use the FamilySearch app, which looks different from using the Chrome app and going in that way. So I'm taking you here to Family History, and I'm going in the Family Tree app. So I have it take me directly to my family tree. As you see, that's me at a wedding when I had very, very short hair. And so what we've got is what's called the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner. That's the three lines stacked one on top of the other. So when I tap it, it pulls out this menu from the side, and I have all these choices. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to family groups. So I tap on family groups, which is toward the end of this list. Now it's pulled up, and my family of choice is the name that I gave this. And this is a picture from Lloyd Harbor, which is one of my favorite places, particularly in autumn. So in order to see what's going on, what the reservations are that have been held aside in this group and ones that you can choose for yourself, you simply tap on View Group. Now that takes you here to the group reservations. So you could just tap on yourself. I'm going to tap on myself and show you how to do it. So let me look at group reservations real quick. There we go. So once you just tap on group reservations, it takes you to all of the people who are held aside in this group. And then what you do is the usual thing. You just tap on the circle here to the right, and then you can take to the temple or reserve for later. So either you can say, well, gee, I'm going to the temple next week. I want to print out tickets, because they do that still, right? I haven't been to the temple in a long time, admittedly. Or you can reserve for later. If you reserve for later, what it does is it takes that person and that person's work, and it puts it on your temple list. And it's on your temple list from now on. So that way you don't have to worry about it. So this is a place where if all else fails, you can sort of dip your hand in and take a couple of pieces of work that you want to take to the temple and add them to your specific reservations. And then next time you're looking, you just go to your own reservation list and you'll see that there are people there you can take, excuse me, I still have COVID throat, that you can take to the temple and do your work. So that's one thing I can do. If I would go to, let's see, go back. If I go to take reserve for later, then I have this, I see. Okay, so since this person would only need the ceiling, I would select the ceiling. If I wanted to take Louisa Brooke and I want to reserve her for later, then I'm going to move that. Oh, okay, I see. All right, so anyways, it'll move them back over to yours. If you want to reserve them, no, if you want to take them to the temple, sorry, it's late and I'm kind of confused. Take the temple. And then you're going to select whatever ordinances you want. And then it'll say continue, and it'll take you through the process. But the most important thing is how to get here in the first place, right? Which is going out, you go to the hamburger, you go to family groups, you go to view group, and then you go to group reservations. That's all you have to do. And then you select and designate accordingly. So we print from home, right? At least that's the way that it was when I was still on Long Island. Whatever way it's handled now, I wish I knew. You do that. Okay, so I'm sorry. I hope that this wasn't more confusing and actually providing more confusion than clarification. But that's how you do it off of a phone. And I really do recommend using the app on the phone because you can do more specific work. You can carry more information over from, say, a census record to an entire family group and stuff like that. I just really like it a lot better. So that's the how. I'm going to go ahead and post this on YouTube. See you later. And if you have questions, give me a holler. My cell number is still at the moment 631-912-7998. I can never remember what my landline is. Let me look. I actually have to look at my own register. If you want to talk to me, you can also call my home number, 845-504-5262. And either way, you'll reach me until I get a new cell phone number. And then whenever you want to schedule some time, just give me a call and we'll find some time. We can do a quick Zoom session if you want to actually see the screen, which I find to be the best way to teach and to learn, or we can just talk through something over the phone. Either way it works. But anyway, take care and happy templing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.